Kautilya and I love solving problems. Today I came across a problem known as Utopian Tree. So it doubles in height each spring, and its height increases by 1 meter in summer. So the Utopian Tree always starts with a height of 1 meter, and it started on spring. You need to print out how tall it would be after a number of growth cycles. So if the number of growth cycles is 5, then on number 0 the height would be 1. On number 1, 1 times 2 is 2. And on number 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. And on number 3, then 3 times 2 is 6. And on number 4, 6 plus 1 is 7. And finally 5, sometimes 2 is 14. So, how I solved this problem was I first initialized a variable called h to 1, and then I checked if the number of cycles is 0, then I returned 1. If it's 1, then I return 2, and if not, so in here I've checked if the number is even, and if it is even, then I went on a range from 0 to half of n, and then the height times equals 2 and the height plus equals 1, and then finally you need to return the h. And if it is odd, then it goes to half of it and then rounded down. So if it was 15, then half of 15 would be 7.5, and if you round it down, it's 7. And then so after that, it goes through that range, and every time it multiplies the height by 2 and adds 1 more to the height, and in the end it multiplies the height by 2 and then finally returns the height. So I use this approach because it has only O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity. Now if I submit my code, then it is 100% correct. See you in next problem. Bye bye.